Hi, this is Rich McNutt, the author of Hunter's Choices. I have had hunters feel guilty about leaving meat in the freezer. Personally, I do not understand the hows involved in a printed recipe. I needed to be shown how to cook. So this cooking series really is for me. I have discovered that after I try a recipe several times, it turned out much better. Hunt smart by choice and good cooking. If you are like me and only have a few good wild game recipes, this show is for you. You won't believe how great you can cook wild game.
I'm Starla Batsko from Starla Seasonings, Dips, and Mixes. I love dip.com, and I'm with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt. And today we're going to be making a warm, cheesy chicken dip. Now this is a really versatile recipe because not only can you use chicken, but you could use shredded turkey, you could use pheasant, you could use crab, and you could even use a canned chicken or fish product. So our first step, we need 1 brick of softened cream cheese. And that means it's at room temperature, and this just helps it blend a lot easier. And then today we're going to use the glorious garlic mix. And this one is pretty garlicky, so I would say only use a half a package. So just sprinkle it on in there. And then I have 1 cup of pre-cooked shredded chicken. And I have a half a cup of mayonnaise. And then I have 1 cup of shredded cheese. So we're going to blend that together until it's well blended. So this is a real versatile recipe because you can use a lot of different flavors with it. I like it a lot of times with the buffalo wing ranch, because it has a nice zip to it, and then it combines nice with the chicken breast. You could also use a habanero if you really like the heat. A lot of people like the citrus dill because it has a nice lemony and orange flavor and then a hint of dill, which actually is fantastic with the crab. So you can totally change the flavor of this recipe by tweaking your protein and by changing what your seasoning is. The pesto parmesan is a fantastic one with the chicken also. So now we have it well combined. And now you have 2 options with this. You can put it in the oven or you can microwave it. And we have it in a microwave safe dish today. And I'm hungry and in a hurry, so we're just going to do it in the microwave. Just kind of flatten it down, and then we're going to pop it into the microwave until it's all warm and cheesy and melted. So we'll be right back and check on it in about 6 minutes and see how it is. Now we've taken it out of the microwave and we're ready to invite Rich in to have a taste. Rich, come on in.
I love dips.
Oh, I do too.
I just love dips.
Now this one is nice for any function that you want to impress people. And it's a nice hearty one too. By adding the chicken or the pheasant.
Oh, it smells great.
Doesn't it? Nice and garlicky, and the cream cheese and the chicken.
Wow, that's another winner.
And I really love it made with crab too.
Oh, You know, this would be wonderful crab, especially like that artificial crab that we can get in the store.
And just shred it up. Just make sure whatever meat that you're using, it's pre-cooked. So don't add, raw chicken or pheasant or turkey to it. Pre-cook it, shred it, and then add it into your recipe.
That's wonderful. You ought to check out some of our other dips she has on the site. The warm pizza dip, that's just a fantastic crowd pleaser. I've been taking that one with wild boar sausage to dip to the parties lately this fall, and everybody just loves that pizza dip.
Otherwise, we even have a fruit dip. We just finished a cheesecake fruit dip. So that's also really easy to make and always a crowd pleaser.
So now you got some crowd-pleasing recipes, and what we found out was that the better you cook your wild game, the more your family wants you to go hunting.
I know, and that's a bonus. So join us for more episodes.
It's vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game.
Super, and you also have a YouTube channel, and then you have it posted on your website too?
Yes, correct.
So catch us in all of our different venues and get some new ideas to cook up your wild game. Enjoy. Isn't this good?
I'm kind of surprised. It's a lot better than I expected.
Really?
Well, we did the fish dip, the smoked trout dip, which is good, and I kind of expected it to be kind of the same. But no,
that was totally different.
This is totally different than the fish dip that we get.
It's like, and it's hearty too, so you could actually sit down and eat this as a meal too.
So there we have it. It's a meal on a chip.
It is a meal on a chip or a bread, or this would be good in celery too.
What's that long? The Italian bread? The toasted the Italian bread?
That's the baguette thing I was talking about.
Oh, that's the baguette thing? Oh.
It's fancy.
I'm used to the other baguette.
Yeah. So good.
Now with 100 plus episodes. For $6, get the best online wild game cooking show you will ever find. Visit www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cooking-wild-game. Enjoy!